Today I am going to start lesson number 3, Inheritance and Variation. First upon here we see the meaning of inheritance. Inheritance, it is a process by which genetic information is passed from parents to child. Inheritance describe how genetic material is passed on from parents to child. Next term is variation. Variation in biology, any difference between the cells, individual, organisms or group of organisms of any species caused either by genetic differences or by the effect of environmental factors on the expression of genetic variations. What causes variation? In biology, genetic variation can be caused by mutation, random mating, random fertilization and recombination between the homologous chromosome during meiosis. Now see, can you recall? Is there a similarity between the parents and offspring? All living organisms inherit characters from their parents and in turn transfer these characters to their offspring. Therefore, offspring resemble their parents and they resemble each other also, but they are not exactly identical to their parents. Next question. What are the roles of chromosomes in the living organisms? The most important function of chromosome is to carry the basic genetic material, that is DNA. DNA provides genetic information for various cellular functions. These functions are essential for growth, survival and reproduction of the organisms. Histone and other protein cover the chromosomes. How are hybrid seeds produced? In agriculture and gardening, hybrid seed is produced by cross-pollinated plants. Which are the chromosomal disorders? First upon here we see the meaning of chromosomal disorders. Chromosomal disorder occurs when there is a change in the number or structure of the chromosome. What are some examples of chromosomal disorders? Some chromosomal abnormalities occur when there is an extra chromosome, while others occur when a section of chromosome is deleted or duplicated. Examples of chromosomal abnormalities include Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, Turner syndrome, etc. Chromosome and mechanism of inheritance. The transmission of genetic information from one generation to the next generation is known as a heredity or inheritance. The mechanism of inheritance was successfully investigated before chromosomes had been observed or genes were known. Now here we see what is meant by chromosomes. Chromosomes. Chromosomes are thread-like structure located inside the nucleus of animal and plant cells. Each chromosome is made up of protein and a single molecule of deoxyribonucleic acid, passed from parents to offspring. DNA contains the specific instruction that make each type of living creature unique. Gregor Mendel, son of the peasant farmer, was born in Moravia in 1822. Gregor Mendel first gave the accurate explanation for the mechanism of inheritance by using hybridization technique. Hybridization technique means hybridization is a process of combining two complementary single-stranded DNA or RNA molecules and allowing them to form a single double-stranded molecule through the base pairing. In other words, the hybridization is the act or process of mating organisms of different varieties. Inheritance of 7 traits in garden pea plants were studied individually, one at a time, or in combination of 2 or 3 characters at a time. He proceeded the data mathematically and statistically. Mendel postulated the principle of heredity, which then became the fundamental laws of heredity. Mendel proposed that factors are particulate in nature. The Mendelian factors are now termed as genes. These factors occur in pair in the parents and segregate from each other during gamete formation without mixing.